What's up, you guys? Today we're gonna be doing a repair on this shingle right here. As you can see, got a little bit of wind damage up here, a little bit right there. Got some tarps going on right there. We got some on this side over here. Got a bit of missing shingles, but nevertheless, we're gonna go ahead and get started on this repair right here. It's extremely hot out today, so these should be easy. Unseal. Well, even before then, there's already tears right here. It looks like there's a good bit of tears up here from all the wind-driven damage. So keep going unsealing these things. Another one right there. We are using roof snake, the appropriate tool to be doing these repair attempts. Keep in mind, you don't want to go too high, just high enough to get the nails out. I do want to point out one thing. You see, we do have a good bit of mat transfer right there. Where else? I know we have some up here, right there. The material transfer is to properly seal the shingle back down. Without material, you know, it ain't gonna be sitting so well. It ain't gonna seal. I'll also show that right there. And a little bit of a nail pull through right here. I do want to show before I even take these nails out that these nails are flush. They are sitting flat. But again, with the brittleness and how old this roof is, you are going to be getting nail pull throughs. So now, put that there in the new hole. We will be sending that shingle out to get tested. We'll get the test results for you. bit of creasing starting to happen right here and right here. But we'll see till the end of the video how it goes. Look at all these graves. Yeah. So after that, you see we still got some tears right here. The tears right here. The tears right here. The creasing. Where's it at? Right there you can see. The creasing right here. Creasing right here. Mat transfer that was right here. Mat transfer over here. The nail pull through. So with all of that, the creasing, the tears, the nail pull through, the material transfer is just not able to. Roof is not pliable to be able to do just solid repairs and to bring back the roof to his integrity and to his 100% integrity. We'll be sending this shingle out to get tested. We'll be going ahead and send these before and after pictures for y'all as well. I'm gonna get off this roof because it's hot. You guys have a good one.